Hey lovelies, Caitlin here, Snap-Ed nutrition educator in Waldo County, Maine. Are you overwhelmed by all the holiday treats? Me too. But get this, I have a cake recipe with vegetables. That's right, sweet potatoes. I know, don't click away yet. We're making sweet potato cake. Just hang on in there. Have you ever had a can of yams you didn't know what to deal with? I rinsed them to get all the extra sugar off, drained them, added them to a bowl, mashed them up real good. You'll see the recipe in the description box below calls for grated carrots, but instead I used a can of crushed pineapple. It was another can of something I had around, didn't know what to do with. So I mixed that together. I also didn't have an egg, so I made a chia seed egg. Comment below if you'd like me to make a video about that. But yes, I made a chia seed egg, another time that I actually used measurements. Then I added some brown sugar. You'll see that the recipe calls for orange juice, but I also didn't have any of that, so I used some coconut almond milk. We just went a tropical direction with this. That's what I'll tell people. So then I just mixed that all together, and then because of the chia egg, I had to let it sit in the fridge for a little while. Added some vanilla, some pumpkin pie spice. See where we're going with this? I'm gonna mix it, whisk it real good. Get it real incorporated before we add our dry ingredients. We're going to add our flour and then baking soda and baking powder in this recipe. Want to be patient to make sure we don't make too much of a mess, I guess, and make sure that all of that flour is incorporated. My silly whisk was not effective for the entire show, so we had to switch it out for a good old-fashioned spatula. I love this blue spatula. I'm pretty sure I got it at like the dollar store when I was in college, and I just cannot get rid of it. It's amazing. I use it for everything. So then I sprayed a pan, poured the batter in, spread it out nice and evenly, put it in the oven at 400 for a little while, and bam, there you have it. Did I mention that I topped it with chocolate chips? Well, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to post your creations to social media with the hashtag MaineSnapEd, and head to mainsnaped.org for more.